Hi, this is Simon. Thanks for viewing our video about the Cryo lipolysis linear machine. You can see first on the appearance, we use the champion color and the white color combined for the design, and you have various color choice. This machine, we use the 15-inch capacitance screen, and the machine can using two handles working at the same time. And we have three different kinds of the Cryo handle, Cryo A, B, and C for the different areas treatments. And we add this rear design, the space rear design, so you can put some antifreeze membrane and some accessory here. Now I'll try to show you the humanized design system. When you connect the plug, you can open the machine directly. Here is the emergency button. You can turn it to the right. Then the key turn to the right, open the machine. The first screen can add your logo here. Then it's the model selection screen. You can see here the parameters, fat thickness, refrigeration, and time. It's for the different handles the same. You choose the option according to the treatment area's fat diameter. Use this fat ruler to measure the fat diameter. For example, I measure on my hand. I got a parameter at 34, so I choose 30 to 50 is never the same, because the machine the two handles can working at the same time, so you can choose the B handles parameter according to a different setting. Then go to next step. Here is the working interface. The time and temperature already settled well according to you choose the option. What you need to do just to add the intensity, because here with vacuum pressure, the handle with vacuum pressure to suction the fatties into it, then do the cooling. So here intensity you can set from low to high. During your during adding the vacuum intensity, we suggest the customer hold this emergency stop handle. So if the customer feel anything uncomfortable, the vacuum pressure too strong or anything they can press down this emergency button, stop the vacuum directly. And when you set the suitable intensity, here works first 3 minutes. Here will be red. It means the heart. We use 3 minutes heart before the cooling to avoid the extravasated blood. So the treatment process will be more comfortable and without any downtime or red after the process. If you not like the hard process, you can press here. Here shows the sun and the cold. When you press it, will be show the all cold. It means the heart already stopped. When you work again, it will cooling directly. Also, we have another mode for you to use is hot 3 minutes, then cooling 20 minutes, then hot again for 3 minutes. So these 3 modes for you to choose. Press again. Here 2 sun and 2 cooling. It means hot first, then cooling. After cooling, then hot again. So the treatment process also more comfortable. Yeah. When you set the intensity and it works, if you finish the first treatment and want to do the second treatments, the easier way just choosing another parameter according to the different area here. For example, I choose 20 mm to 30 mm. Here the working time will be renewed and temperature also renewed. Change it again for a 50 mm area. The time also changed, temperature also renewed. After you skilled on this machine, all the things can be adjusted by yourself you can use the manual mode directly. Then the temperature can adjust and working time can adjust directly. By the way, the temperature cooling, we max cooling can reach -15. It's very cool. And during the A handle working, there is no influence to B handle. You can still adjust the B handle here and choose the different parameter and set the scenes to start work. There's no any effect for both two handle is separated. Now I try to show you the treatment process. For example, now I show you to the abdomen slimming. Before the treatment, you should measure the treatment fat thickness first. Use these measurements. We would do treatment on this area, so test like this. And gutter diameter is rise 40. Then I try to use the C handle this area. Choose the diameter like from 30 to 50 millimeter. Go to the next step. And here the C handle already lighted. Now the 3 handle lighted for the treatments, but you can't put the handle or the rear directly. You have to use anti-freeze membrane like this. Is to avoid the cold hurt. Like this. Open one piece, cover the treatment areas. Cover the antifreeze membrane to the treatment area. Make sure it's full cover and with enough space. Then using one piece of plastic membrane is to avoid the antifreeze liquid goes into the handle. And third, choose the C handle. Before the treatments, we suggest they use one piece of this into the handle. This small cotton here. This is to avoid the liquid goes into handle. Then you can put the handle here. Make sure it's full touch, then press work and adjust the intensity. Until you see the handle can stable stop at the rear and need them to remove. So it's the good setting. The customer should hold this vacuum emergency stop handle. If anything risks or anything uncomfortable, she can stop it directly. The first 3 minutes you can see the handle with red light is the hot process. After the hot process, it will go to cooling. It's to avoid the extravasated blood. Just need to finish the work time will be okay. The 30 minutes.